Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. This is Sohail with you today with a brand new video from Norway. I am currently on my 21-day trip all the way from UK and back. I have just made it to the Atlantic Road this morning, and that was in my previous vlog. If you haven't looked at it, just go and have a look at it and find it from my channel. Today I am just on the way to Trollstigen and then carry forward. There's a ferry I've got to cross in the way, so that's where I'm heading towards today, this morning. And weather is still looking okay. Temperature is about 13 degrees C. I'm wearing my full kit, so all ready for the day. So stay with me and enjoy the vlog. I'm just enjoying my music. Chal mere bhai, chal chal mere bhai tere haath. Different scenery to see on the way back. We obviously went this way on the way over to the Atlantic Road. On the way back, it just gives you a different perspective. It's 9:30 this morning and I am already enjoying the views. I feel so proud to leave in the morning at 8 a.m. from a campsite. Look at this amazing view. That's where we went down yesterday, and that's where I camped last night. You know, on my whiteboard at home there is a statement which says that some storms don't come to destroy your life. They are there to clear your path, and that is literally what happened to me last night. I thought, you know, when the rain started and the weather was playing up, I thought, oh man, what a disaster for me. But little did I know that for the next morning it was preparing me for that wonderful view at the Atlantic Road, and I just could not have wished better weather, better conditions. So there you go. Here is a mini Atlantic Road bridge. I think I crossed that yesterday on the other side, and it kind of looked like that as well. You know, the car is just going and disappearing into the thin air. Oh look, there's a bridge on the other side too. Interesting church building coming up on the left. How about that, man? One thing about the campsites is that you do tend to meet lots of interesting people. Last night I was at that campsite and I met an English couple who were on their honeymoon and on a caravan. They were from Lincolnshire, I think, and they were having a great time basically. They had hired a camper van from Bergen and made it all the way over to the north side of the country, and now they were heading back. Then I met a couple of two German motorbikers, and they had just finished their fjords, and now they were on the way over to the Atlantic Road and then over to the Sweden. It's basically exactly the opposite what I'm planning to do. And then I met another German family who were also camping in their camper van. So it seems to be a popular culture actually. So this is me just arriving. This is a scanner, by the way, for the number plates and things like that for the ferry. I think the ferry is just there. I hope I will be able to make it there. This is quite convenient. Let's see. Oh yeah, come on. As I say in Punjabi, rudku. What is going on? What is going on? Let's see if I get some priority treatment. Okay, thank you very much. Right, fantastic. That was good timing. Love it. This is the ferry going back, which I took yesterday. It's every 15 minutes and it lasts only 15 minutes. So here we are. Made it just in good time actually. Come on, back. And yeah, let's just park here and have a look around. There's no strapping here, by the way. You basically, I'm going to put my bike in handbrake mode, and yeah, we're doing well. And the doors have just closed and we've just started to move.